What if a single flower arrangement could change how your entire space feels? What if bringing spring indoors was as simple as arranging blooms with intention and heart? Spring flowers are more than decoration. They're a celebration of renewal. Their color, fragrance, and life returning after a long season. Imagine delicate petals opening in soft light, fresh stems arranged with ease, colors that instantly lift your mood, and flower arrangements that feel natural, joyful, and full of spring energy. Today, we're sharing spring flower arrangement ideas that feel fresh, effortless, and timeless. Arrangements that turn simple blooms into beautiful expressions of the season.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are spring flower arrangements so special for home decor? Spring flower arrangements capture the essence of the season. They reflect growth, renewal, and optimism. After winter, flowers bring immediate warmth and freshness. They reconnect us with nature. They soften our spaces and uplift our moods. A spring arrangement doesn't just decorate a room. It changes how the space feels emotionally, making it brighter and more welcoming. If you love decorating with flowers, tap like and celebrate spring with us. How do colors influence spring flower arrangements? Color sets the emotional tone of a flower arrangement. Spring colors should feel uplifting and gentle. Soft pastels create calm. Fresh greens add balance. Bright floral tones bring happiness and energy. When colors flow naturally, the arrangement feels harmonious. It enhances the space without overwhelming it. Check the description for color-inspired flower arrangement ideas featured here. What flowers work best for spring flower arrangement ideas? Spring flowers are known for their freshness and charm. They feel light and joyful. Seasonal blooms bring authenticity. Soft petals create elegance. Fresh colors reflect the beauty of nature waking up again. Choosing flowers that feel natural to the season helps arrangements look effortless. They feel like spring, not forced decoration. Subscribe for more floral and seasonal decor inspiration. How can simple arrangements feel elegant and intentional? Simplicity is the heart of beautiful spring arrangements. Less allows the flowers to shine. Simple designs feel natural and relaxed. Open spacing adds airiness. Intentional placement creates balance. A simple arrangement often feels more elegant than something overworked. It reflects the effortless beauty of spring. Save this video to your playlist for simple flower styling ideas. How do vases and containers affect spring flower arrangements? The container is part of the story. It shapes how the flowers are experienced. Clear vases keep the look light and fresh. Natural materials add warmth and texture. Soft finishes enhance elegance. When the container complements the flowers, the arrangement feels complete. It becomes part of the decor rather than just a holder. Like and share this video if you love creative flower vases. How can greenery elevate spring flower arrangements? Greenery adds structure and balance to floral designs. It supports the blooms beautifully. Fresh greens add fullness without heaviness. Natural textures soften the arrangement. Layered greenery creates depth and flow. Greenery makes arrangements feel organic and alive. It brings a sense of calm and freshness to the design. Check the description for greenery ideas used in these arrangements. How can spring flower arrangements work in different spaces? Spring arrangements are incredibly versatile. They can enhance any room. Small arrangements brighten intimate spaces. Larger designs anchor gathering areas. Seasonal flowers adapt easily to different styles. No matter the space, spring flowers bring warmth and joy. They help every corner feel refreshed. Comment where you love displaying flowers most in your home. How can natural and seasonal elements enhance flower arrangements? Natural elements connect flower arrangements to the season. They make designs feel grounded and authentic. Organic textures add warmth. Seasonal accents reflect nature's rhythm. Earthy details balance the florals. These elements help arrangements feel effortless. They celebrate spring in a subtle, beautiful way. Save this video to your playlist for nature-inspired floral ideas. How do spring flower arrangements change the feeling of a home? Flowers influence how we experience our space emotionally. Spring arrangements bring joy and optimism. They lift the mood instantly. They make spaces feel alive. They create moments of beauty in everyday life. Spring flower arrangements don't just decorate, they transform. They remind us to slow down and enjoy the season. Subscribe now for more floral, table, and seasonal decor inspiration. And that is how you create beautiful spring flower arrangement ideas. Fresh, natural, and full of life. These are arrangements that celebrate renewal. Arrangements that bring nature indoors. Arrangements that turn simple blooms into moments of joy. Let the flowers open. Let the colors shine. Let your home bloom with spring. Because sometimes, all it takes to welcome a new season is a vase of flowers and a little intention.